Welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to publish your website on your custom domain. Start from the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor. Add your domain address in the custom domain field without the HTTPS protocol tag, and click the Continue button. After a brief verification of the domain, you receive a list of records. Let's go over what to do with them. The information from these records needs to be added to the domain registry where you purchased your domain. In our case, it's Namecheap. Regardless of the domain name provider, go to the DNS section where records can be added or edited and create both of the records given to you in TeleportHQ. To prevent errors, make sure that the types, values, and names of the records are copied perfectly. In our case, we need to create a TXT and a canonical name record in the domain registry's interface. Once we have all of the records correctly added, the setup part is almost done, and all we need to do is to verify the configuration. To do this, go back to the editor and click on the Check Status button. When the check is passed, your website will be published on your custom domain. If the check doesn't pass immediately, wait a minute and try again. And that's it. See you in the next one.